Hello everyone, welcome to SOP Arts and Crafts. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and come back often for more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This craft is inspired by one of our favorite books at our house, A Fun ABC by Sade Fadipe and Shedrack Ayalome. A is for Adana and my school is on break. Adana is this girl right here and she's wearing a necklace with a pendant shaped like the map of Africa. So our craft is inspired by this today. It's a lovely book, A Fun ABC. Here are some of the materials I'll be using for this craft. Cardboard. I'll be using a box of cereal for cardboard, a printout of the map of Africa to trace with, hole puncher, scissors, string, glitter, and glue. Did you know the continent of Africa is made up of 54 countries and 6 of them are islands? Now, let's do some crafting. So I thought to myself, if you wear this pendant with all the glitter on it, you'll probably get glitter all over your shirt. I put some sellotape over the pendant just so I could keep the glitter in place. Trim some of the excess sellotape off. Add your string and you're all done. You don't have to add glitter on your African necklace. You can just color it. And you could even add some beads to your pendant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel for more videos and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.